Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my garage. This is kind of add-on here. I liked the flashlight so much that I decided to get another one for the other garage, so I have one in both places. When I went into my normal Harbor Freight, they were out. They were completely out. You know, we went to another one, and they had a few. These are going like hotcakes because if you get them off the Mac or the Snap-on truck, they're like 3 times as much. So you can't beat $34 for these. They work so great. So if you're near Harbor Freight, drop in and get one. They're awesome. What I'm doing today is I'm not doing any vehicle maintenance. I'm dead in the water till I get the fuel pump for this. I'm going to go ahead and put the new one in. Then I know that's out of the way. Even though, you know, fuel pumps, brand new fuel pumps can go bad, even new. So, but I'm going to take my chance on that. And that being said, if you're not going to get it online, you go through Advanced or AutoZone. It's going to that pump's going to cost you $189. What I'm doing here, I decided, hey, you know, I want to make some shelves. So I got this wasted space and plenty of plywood. So I decided to go ahead and put them on these rails, and then I got some shelving. That's kind of what I'm doing today. I'm going to be. I've got to take the intake off of this again, so I can do the valve cover seals. That's going to be a mess. Because I got to disconnect everything. I got to get this off of here, and I got to get free so I can get the valve covers off of here without contaminating anything. My issue was this back. There's a back, 2 back screws back up against the firewall, and they're going to be. I can't explain what they're going to be, but they're going to be bad. So I was in Harbor Freight as well, and I was looking through some ways I could solve that. Well, I found Pittsburgh makes this cool ratchet T-handle, and down here, there we go, T-handle, a flexible 3/8 drive head. It also rotates back and forth at whatever angle you want it to be. So now you can either go like this. It can be straight on. Your ratchet head can pivot this way, pivot straight. It can go at any angle you need it to go in. So this has got so many different positions this thing can go in. I said, well, I bet you that's going to do what I need it to do. Because it's going to be something like down here, it's going to have to be tilted just a little bit like that, and this is going to have to go down just a little bit. So with that, you're going to be able to just rotate it, and then you're going to be able to flex it. Being a 3/8, that is a T20 tip. So gonna have to go with a universal setup here. It's gonna have to be this T20 like that, from what I can see. And I gotta go with a. This already flexes, so I'm not going to have to do anything with that. Probably going to have to use an adapter for this, and then from a 3/8 down to a 1/4, and now that's the combination right there. Getting that on that, and then getting it to loosen up and come out, and then going the opposite direction. Going to have to put it back in. unfortunately, there's no way to torque that back there. Just gonna have to torque, just tighten it as tight as I possibly can, and go from there. So this is considered a flexible ratcheting T-handle, and it's, let's see, 18 inches long. It's got a 3-inch long rotating hand, flex end on it, and then it's got a 3/8 flexible. So I can't see that you wouldn't want one of these for your toolbox, because I'm definitely it'll go any way you want, you know, and be in a position that you're going to need to do it. So I'm leaving that right just like it is. It's going to be ready for that. So that takes care of that. I'm going to get back to what I was doing. Let me get this out of here and start charging it, and then I'm going to put the other one back in the other room. They said it's a fantastic. I just now got into the thin design, because I was doing something, and I was borrowing one of my buddies at his shop, and I'm like, this is fantastic. This goes anywhere. It wasn't this. It was actually a Snap-on. It was a Snap-on brand, but it gave me the idea when I saw them. They just came out with them at Harbor Freight. So, you can't. It's thin. It goes anywhere, and it goes in any of the positions, left or right. Then you've got the magnet base. So chargeable, and then I don't know if because it did slide out on me the other day, and it wouldn't come out. Like, what's going on here? And I discovered this was loose. So there's the chargeable battery. It's a 3.7 volt. So I'm sure we can find new batteries if we have to down the road. But this is a aircraft grade aluminum handle. So anyway, I think it's probably working. And like I said, it's got a total of 3. It's got 2 light. You got one light on the end, and then you got high, and then medium, and then you go to your tip light. So this has been awesome so far. I've used it quite a bit. So as you can see, it's got its magnet base, and then it uses the old charging tip, old USB tip. Plug it in. It's going to be red. Get your butt in there. Upside down, it doesn't help. It's going to be red. When it's done, it'll be green. There we go. Alright, so there we go. It does come with its own charging cable. I got 2,000. You got 2,000 of them because they are the old common plugs, you know. Also, for $7, I got a 1-year warranty on this. It doesn't matter what happens to it. You shatter it, it doesn't work. Break it, no matter what. You get another one for free. So there you go. Your Braun magnetic slim bar folding rechargeable LED light for 390 lumens. I highly recommend it. You can't lose on that. All right, so that's what I've been doing today. thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. I even picked up another. I got a bunch of these. I just don't have this particular long one, and this medium in the quarter inch group. I've got all the. I don't have a short one. Sometimes you need one something's just too long, and there you go. So, you know, for 14 bucks, now I actually have every size extension I need, and I should be able to do what I need to do. But you know, you're gonna gather a couple, maybe $5,000-$6,000 worth of tools if you're gonna try and maintain a vehicle. The other thing I'm looking at, I think my next big investment, I'm going to get a scanner. Not, you know, the regular code scanners, but an actual, you know, vehicle scanner that does twice as much as just your standard plug-in scanner. The one I got right now is a $200 scanner, but it won't do certain things. The Zurich brand. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you will catch me on the next Dana's Garage.